having a program card in your Onity system. It has to be a valid program card. We keep ours in a little envelope that says program card. Then your hotel should have come with some red keys. These are programming keys for the guest. And the way you use this is you use the program card, put it inside the door, it turns red and green, and you put the program key in there. It turns green. Now you issue this to the guest, and they will be able to open the door. You just program this key to open this door. And then it's going to work until you make a new guest key. So your system is back up, and then you issue a key to the guest, and then they will use that key in the room. It will make this program key not work anymore. At this point, this red program key is now just a regular guest key. Thank you very much. Have a great day.